Welcome to class. B.Ed third semester. General paper is learning assessment. First of all, how many units are there in this paper? And after that, first unit, I have to know that. Totally 5 units are there in this paper. The first unit is perspectives on assessment and evaluation. Second unit 2, formative and summative assessment. Third, tools of assessment. Fourth one, planning, construction, administration and reporting of assessment. And last unit, issues, concerns and trends in assessment and evaluation. Okay. Let us know about first unit, meaning of assessment, measurement, tests, examination. This is first topic in first unit. First of all, so what is assessment? Assessment focuses on learning, teaching and outcomes. Assessment is an integral part of instruction. Assessment affects decisions about grades, placement, advancement. Assessment is a process by which information is obtained relative to some known objective or goal. ఏమి లేదండి, అసెస్మెంట్ అంటే మనం సింపుల్గా చెప్పుకోవాలంటే అచీవ్మెంట్ ఆఫ్ లెర్నింగ్ అవుట్కమ్స్గా చెప్పుకోవచ్చు. అంటే స్టూడెంట్ ఏదైతే నేర్చుకున్నాడో దాన్ని మనం అవుట్కమ్గా చెప్పవచ్చు. నెక్స్ట్ వన్ ఎవాల్యుయేషన్. ఎవాల్యుయేషన్ ఈజ్ ఏ ప్రాసెస్ ఆఫ్ మేకింగ్ వాల్యూ జడ్జ్మెంట్స్ ఓవర్ ఏ లెవెల్ ఆఫ్ performance or achievement. Evaluation is a continuous and dynamic. Evaluation involves assessment, but not all assessments are evaluation. Simply, evaluation focuses on grades. Okay. Compare with measurement and evaluation. Measurement in the sense learning outcomes. Evaluation in the sense focuses on grades. So finally, achievement or performance is evaluation. Do you understand? Test. Tests may be called as a tool. It should be reliable, it should be valid and it should be objective. It should not be expensive or less time consuming. In the sense, for example, unit tests, formative tests, limited time and limited marks. These are examples of tests. Okay. And next one, examination. Examination refers to a procedure where the knowledge about number of lessons is tested, whereas the test refers to a procedure where an individual's knowledge is tested about a lesson. Nothing but you should compare with test and examination. Test is limited units and a limited time, like unit test, formative tests like that. But examination like total units covered in examination, like after completion of course or after completion of class. These are the good example of examination. Okay. Or competitive examinations, like if you take clerk examinations or bank examinations or RRB or DSC, these are all examinations, good example of examination. Okay.